Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a winter scene on a Dollar Tree platter. So I grabbed one of the oval platters from Dollar Tree, a couple of the ornaments from Dollar Tree, one of the sets of the deers, and then another set of the trees, some chenille stems. I ended up using silver ones, some fiberfill, a few little snowflakes I had in my stash, some glitter snow, some white chalk paint, some light blue paint, some Glamour Dust, some glitter, and some regular white glue. So the first thing I'm going to do is paint the whole tray with white chalk paint. And I gave this 2 coats and then let them dry in between coats. Once I had it all dry from the chalk paint, I'm going to start adding the soft blue in just the center of the tray. So I just painted just the center and left the outsides white with the white chalk paint. Once the blue was dry, I added the Glamour Dust, which is now called Enchanted Shimmer, and I just put that all over the whole entire tray and then let that dry also. And it just gives it like a sparkly effect. You could also use sparkle Mod Podge if you choose to. Next, I'm going to take my silver pipe cleaners and I'm going to run those around just the rim on the inside, right around the blue. Once I had that all on, I'm going to hot glue my ornaments on. So I'm going to hot glue one of the trees and one of the deer, and I'm going to hot glue them right next to each other at the bottom of the tray. Once those are all attached, I took one of my snowflakes and hot glued that to the top of the tree. And that's going to cover the hole from the hanger also. Then I just took a couple of the other snowflakes I had and hot glued them in the top of the tray. Just randomly, my snowflakes don't match. They're all different. I just thought they looked really pretty. Then I'm going to hot glue some of my fiberfill down at the bottom of the tray. So I kind of just fluffed it out, and I'm just going to use a lot of hot glue and then press it right to the bottom of the tray. And kind of arrange it how you want it to look. And that's going to be our snow. Now I'm going to take some of the glitter snow and a paintbrush and just apply some on top of the fiberfill. And I'm just going to spot put it on. You're not going to be able to brush it on very well. I just kind of dabbed it on, pushed it around with my fingers. Then I'm going to take some of the white glue that I had, and I'm also going to spread some of that on, and then I'm going to sprinkle it with glitter. And I just kept doing this back and forth until I got the look that I was looking for. You don't have to do this part. You can leave it as just the fiberfill. I just wanted it to have a little more sparkle, so I just kept kind of messing with it back and forth until I got the desired glitter effect that I was looking for. And this can be kind of a pain part to do because the fiberfill is so fluffy that it makes it kind of hard to get the glue and the glitter all over it. But I really like the way that it turned out in the end. I ended up hot gluing some more of my fiberfill down because it kind of popped up from me messing with it. But overall, I really like the way that it turned out. And that is it. This project is done once you get the little glitter effect that you want. I think this turned out super cute. I have it sitting on a little plate stand. And I think I'm going to leave it like that. You could totally add a hanger if you want. That's up to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. And please don't forget to spread the chaos.